Shop here really famous in Malacca.
Orang semua ingat Pak.
I found the place I was looking for. That's the place there. Bakeries, they sell all fresh stuff. Later we're going to come and buy that. At the moment I can't carry anything in my hands, so just want to walk around first, and later we're going to shop. What do we have to? Saturday, and streets are still empty. Not many people though. And a bit hot, but it feels so good that shops are open now back, like here at that count, this street. It feels good. Now at Malacca Main Street, daytime at 5 o'clock they're going to open for street vendors. He just told me at 5 o'clock all this place is going to be full with the street vendors, you know. So at night is going to be really fun. A lot of stalls, and then we're going to try some food. And I think after 5 o'clock we're going to have a lot of stuff here. Look at these beautiful Chinese lanterns, because after 2 weeks there's Chinese New Year, so you can see the beautiful vibe. Loud. Here I'm going to order. What do you have? You're very famous, right? You're famous around the world. One chandel, and what else do you have? One chandel, and what do you have?
We have a durian, we have the mango ice kacang.
Okay, so which one is the best one?
The best one would be the bubble chandel.
Oh, okay, so please two. Yes, please. Thank you. This is.
Alright, done then.
That's it?
That's it.
How much is that?
14.
14. Imagine when weather is really hot and you're sweating, and this is what you got here. Really famous. This shop here, really famous in Malacca. It's Chandel, very famous. Ah, look at that. It satisfying treat in hot weather. Very good, isn't it? Right there. It's enough human close. Yeah. A very honest opinion, it really tastes good. All that sugar, coconut really complement each other, and then you have a bowl of satisfaction, right? By the time I start recording, it's going to melt, so I'm going to finish, guys. I'm going to stop my talking and enjoy my chandel. Malacca Jonker Street. It's the main city center. ringgit and 10 ringgit. It depends on the size. So could you please choose one for me, nice one, which you think is the best? Okay, let's have that. Dear. I think I need to change the background, show you something nicer. That side at the back you can see the background Malacca church, and actually sweet. I was thinking it's just like not that hot. Five PM, and we're just walking to the boat right now. She's just there. This is Malacca River. There's the boat here. Just arrived. He's been kind. He just let us in. Thank you so much. And what we decided now, gonna buy a ticket again and enjoy the night ride when the lights are on. Then we can have that beautiful vibes of this beautiful country and this amazing city. Beautiful Malacca River, and it's surrounded with some awesome architecture around, hotels, ferries. This is Malacca River cruise here. Just now I wrote that. Okay, now we are back, and you can see at the back they transformed this street from just now. You can see the cars and everything was just driving. People can drive around, but now you can see all these food stalls. Later we're gonna have a lot of. Later we're gonna have lots and lots of good food. Some cold drinks. I think he's making fresh coconut juice there with the ice blend. It looks so good. Ah, there you go. That's coconut blend, ice, sugar, and It looks good from here though. These people just started, I think they just started their stalls just now. They haven't done yet. I see here. This is Malacca, Gula Malacca, brown sugar, famous brown sugar from Malacca.
Diabetic can consume this.
Oh really?
Yeah, this one diabetic cannot. This is fake.
Oh,
Sugar.
oh, if this one,
Yeah, diabetic.
this is mixed with sugar.
How you see it? Because it's shiny and
Uh-huh.
then it's hard.
Oh,
Yeah, that's how we know it's with sugar.
oh cool.
And then gula melaka we don't buy if it's a dark color. Because human being when we age, we grow white hair, right?
Ah, yeah, correct.
Gula melaka it ages, it gets darker in color.
Oh, cool, okay.
That's how we know that it's old stock or it's a new stock.
Oh, cool.
New stock normally
So which one is better, new or old?
definitely new. It's not wine.
Ah, correct, okay, yeah, you got it. Yeah, you got the point there.
Right, but this one, see, when it's new, it's fresh, it looks like this color.
You got a point, yeah, you are absolutely right, yeah.
Because it's made from coconut flower water. It's not from coconut.
Seriously?
Yeah, you know when the tree flowers,
Uh-huh.
we cut that part, the budding flower, and then it will drip nectar.
Wow, honestly, this is something new for me. I never know that. It seems very famous here.
You want to try?
Thank you, buddy. Later when we go back, you know, on the way, difficult to carry all the way and come back again, you know. What is that?
That one is a dessert.
What do you call it?
Dragon beard candy.
Pardon?
Dragon beard candy.
Dragon beer candy. So what is that? Is this flour or mixed with something?
Yeah.
What is this
This
mix?
one is the maltose sugar,
Uh-huh.
and then inside the content is a peanut or either is oat.
Oh, it's your choice. You
Yup.
mix it, right?
Yeah, not mix
Cool.
it. We cannot mix it. We got two type lah. Either
Uh-huh.
is oat.
Two different.
Yeah,
right?
two different type.
Cool.
Oat or peanut.
Oh, okay. So which one tastes better?
The original one is peanut.
Okay. Your favorite is peanut?
Or I prefer oat.
Oat.
I like oat. Yeah.
Really? It's not that sweet, right?
Yeah, not that sweet.
Cool. I seen something similar in Korea,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
I was there
This
last
dessert is
year.
quite famous in Korea.
Like that. Actually, you need a lot of practice to do so. And he looks good about that. Later, I'm going to post the name of this stall here in Malacca Street. If you guys want to come here, come and enjoy. I'll show you the final product when they finish it. Wow, man, that looks.
Then
Oh, yeah,
here is the
here.
finished product.
Here it is. Oh, cool. I never had the corn juice before.
Dragon fruit and lime lemon.
This is dragon fruit and lemon. Oh, I can see a young chef here. Cool. You're doing good job, you know. Cool. Please. No, you carry on, carry on. You're doing absolutely wonderful job, you know that. I found a little chef here. No. If you come to Malacca Saturday, Sunday, here at the Malacca Street, Jonker Street, here at the Jonker Street you will find this stall. And then you're going to find this little beautiful chef here. Look at that. She's decorating exactly like Golden Ramsay. Impressive. Cool.
order baru.
Ya itu yang tak larat tu.
Abang abang kat mana?
Orang semua ingat 40 Letak sekali nasi enggak?
Old shop. So we have old shop cream puff, vanilla, we have dark chocolate, we have gula Malacca, we have matcha, and we have mango. And look at these colors. I fall in love with that color. Beautiful. This looks very beautiful. This is gula Malacca. Okay, I'm going to try gula Malacca. Look at that.
Looks like cream puff.
And there's a flavor is this?
This is dark chocolates.
Dark chocolate.
Yep.
Oh, he's crafty. Jonker's long potato. Let me see what is that long potato about. Oh, all right, that's a mashed potato. So she, oh great, okay. Here you go.